like I'm wondering what the overload of scooters in Germantown is. Germantown, Uptown, all of that. I feel like I know who that was. Bro just having fun over there. Yo, see, I might have to do another type of mic placement, because this is getting OP as fuck right now. Because I can't see. Can't see as well as I used to my right, and it kind of pisses me off. So all of y'all went around the bus right here, so now none of us can move. Come on. So now y'all made everybody miss the light because y'all wanted to be impatient and hold the bus up. Crazy, bro. Real crazy. It's funny because GPS don't account for being on a bike and cutting through traffic, because it definitely said a couple minutes later than it is right now, and it's only probably been like 2. Haven't really been able to do too much of anything, and I've been playing around with my mic placement, so I hope this sounds okay. Not looking for it to sound like studio quality or anything, but I mean, hopefully it's not too much wind, because that's like impossible to edit out, and will kill your video. So I'll figure this out when I get to work and sit here and put it on the computer and see how it sounds. But anyway, long story short, right now I'm at a great and low point in my life at the same time. I'm finally feeling financially okay, but it's because my project car is down and that's no longer pulling at my pockets. It's like, it's the greatest feeling, because it's like, one less thing I had to spend money on. But it also sucks, because it's like, okay, my project car is down now, you know? Okay. What is everybody doing right now? Okay, who am I kidding? I'm gonna have to clip this video up because ain't no way I'm turning this into a vlog. There's way too much going on. So
incoming. I mean, it's no big deal. It's just a splattered bug on the windshield of my life.
a bug?
A dim-witted, smelly, goofy, splattered bug that I will deal with appropriately and enthusiastically.
I just had to spend the night writing something up for it to be a vlog, you know, topics, and see what I could do tomorrow when I'm in less of a rush. See, if there's one vehicle that I love entering the highway on, it's a bike. And that's because it's so easy to merge. Just give yourself some space. I just solved my problem, because I'm pretty damn sure y'all can hear me now. I just had to close the vents on my helmet. I don't know why that never occurred to me, but it never did. So now that I closed the vents, I feel like there's a little bit less air flowing around inside this helmet, which means y'all can hear me better. So if dropping vlogs at the expense of having a heat stroke on a hot day, I guess do it for my viewers. So I got a love-hate relationship with y'all, because if I'm gonna have a heat stroke doing this, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share. I need y'all to do everything in y'all power to make sure it's worth it. Okay, trying to merge right there probably sucks, unless you're on a motorcycle. If you're on a motorcycle, it don't take nothing at all. You just twist your wrist and you're up to speed already. I got 1 mile to my exit. Whatever shall I do? 0.9 miles to my exit. 0.8 miles to my exit. 0.6 miles to my exit. and it's simply because I don't know if it's the age of the bike or if it's just how the rear shocks are tuned, but I get a lot of back hop on that corner, and I hate that feeling. It's like, are you really on a bike if you don't downshift in the tunnel? Are you really? That wind down from doing 100 plus on the highway, and I don't want to say your nerves are rattled, but you're a little jittery. Yo, wait, I gotta see that helmet again. See, seeing stuff like that makes me wish I had stickers on my bike so people could see it and remember the channel, check it when they get home or whatever. Chicken strips. I could do better. Let's see. Rate the chicken strips. That's what I'm gonna tell the group. I'm gonna send this to the group chat. Say rate the chicken strips. And I need to get gas soon. Yeah. Alright. Is that touching the engine yet? No. That's alright. I got the glue on me, so I wouldn't even be worried about it. Alright.